Welcome to our short video on eco-friendly fireplace and stove use to reduce your carbon footprint at home. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and eco-friendly options for creating a warm and inviting home while minimizing your impact on the environment. Your carbon footprint refers to the greenhouse gas emissions caused by your daily activities, and it directly affects our planet's health. Home heating, especially traditional fireplaces and stoves, can contribute significantly to these emissions. Fortunately, there are eco-friendly alternatives to consider. Electric fireplaces are efficient and clean, using electricity instead of fossil fuels and emitting zero direct emissions. Gas fireplaces are another excellent option. They burn cleaner and produce fewer emissions, running on natural gas or propane. To make your fireplace or stove eco-friendly, here are some practical tips you can follow. 1. Choose sustainably sourced firewood to support responsible forest management and reduce your impact on ecosystems. 2. Properly season firewood for at least 6 months to improve efficiency and reduce emissions. 3. Schedule annual inspections and cleanings to ensure optimal efficiency and energy savings. 4. Install glass doors for your wood-burning fireplace to retain heat and prevent warm air from escaping when not in use. By adopting eco-friendly practices, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere while reducing your carbon footprint. Consider alternative heating options like solar heating systems or geothermal heating for further sustainability. Remember, reducing your carbon footprint is an ongoing commitment that starts with small changes at home. By embracing eco-friendly fireplace and stove use, you're contributing to a greener future for our planet. If you want to learn more about eco-friendly fireplace options and how to make your home more sustainable, contact us for a personalized estimate today. Together, let's make a difference. Thank you for joining us. Stay warm and eco-conscious.